to going there. So I'm scared to going up. It's I think very difficult. Maybe they have another way to go. Far, ano ba tawag yan? Far tower. So only there guys, and then I go back to my place. I will walk for 1 hour to reach my place. Welcome to Turkey. So I buy today, right? I buy it today. This is very cheap. So total of 6 manat. This one is 5 manat. And my earring was 4 manat. I have a souvenir in Baku. I bless everyone.